of maneuvers in the skywriting part. We talked a little bit about Mark Sorensen, who's flying the lead aircraft, but Buck Roman is the wingman flying C, the second Yak 52. He's been flying for over 35 years and has flown over 105 different types of aircraft, from Piper J3 Cubs to jets, and has over 13,500 hours of flight time. He's also an FAA certified flight instructor, single and multi-engine aircraft, and holds airframe and power plant license with inspection authorization. He's flown air shows for over 12 years and is one of the leading aerobatic competency evaluators for the International Council of Air Shows. Now on each end of the airspace, we go up for the simultaneous hammerheads. Ready? As both airplanes simultaneously change direction. The Yak-55 weighs about 2,000 pounds, has a top speed of 140 miles an hour, and right there, the Ringmaster. There we go, right just through the smoke ring. The Ringmaster flying there in smoke rings. These are fired pneumatically from the ground. It's a mixture of propane, fuel, and oil that's formed over the 25-foot tall fireball that turns into a 200 diameter smoke ring. And even when we've got the weather conditions that we have today, a little bit of wind keeps them flowing around. This is the opposing loop with another smoke ring coming up from the ground. Now they're going right through the smoke and into the vertical for the opposing park roll. As the aircraft flies, the airspeed bleeds off until there's nothing coming across the control surfaces. And what happens? The torque of the engine will spin the airplane around. And here comes Gary back down the line waving at you, and the Tigers taking in for the looping rejoin. Plane, great pilot, and a super support crew that includes his wife. His son is currently in Officer Candidate School for the United States Air Force. All right, now we got both airplanes headed the same direction. Let's see if we can get them up tight and close and personal for this half-Cuban 8 turnaround. Follow leader, Mark Sorensen in the lead. Buck Roseman coming in, right behind him, flying down to his own trail of smoke. How about the vertical screwdriver? Well, Buck is a authorized power plant mechanic. And there goes Mark taking his Tiger up across the top. Curling it every which way but loose. I believe he stripped out that Phillips screw head right there. Again, at the opposite ends of the aerobatic airspace, ready up as Titus and Zeke climb into the beautiful blue Georgia sky. The Yak 52M built especially for international aerobatic competition. Like most aircraft, these are very strong, built like a manhole cover or a Russian woman. Two tumbles up there in the sky as both airplanes tumble in over here. And the Humpty Bump push as they take the airplanes into the vertical quarter roll up, half roll, and now the airspeed bleeds off all the way forward on the stick. Humpty Bump into it as they come back in for the Cuban rejoin. Watch Pass is brought to you by AviationJewelryDesigns.com. All these photographers out here that have these huge lenses, look like they're about a half a mile long. Well, watch as Mark comes by. He's going to be holding his arm up, and if you can get a picture of his watch and submit it to Facebook at Tiger Air Shows, or email Mark Sorensen at TigerAirShows.com, a winner will be chosen from the selections of photos in that you can actually make out the watch, and you will be winner of a custom gift from AviationJewelryDesigns.com. Let's see, looking at Mark's watch, it looks like it's about 3 minutes after 1. Tigers are coming down. They'll be coming down the line here in just a few minutes. So